This is the backside of Glen Canyon Dam, and this video was taken from What We've Overlooked. Glen Canyon is on Highway 89 and is 710 feet high. This was built in 1956 to 1966. We are on Glen Canyon Dam Overlook. It's an easy access from the town of Page on the Scenic View Road into the Overlook Drive. There's 5 miles downstream to the Colorado River, or 12 minutes drive from the dam to Horseshoe Bend. This is a trail that takes you from the parking lot to Horseshoe Bend. It's only 1.5 miles round trip or 2.4 kilometers. That's an easy hike. This overlook is 1,000 feet above the Colorado River.